determinants. So the building determinants, as we discussed, will be the form and spaces. That is the main responsibility of the architect. The performance, which is the responsibility of the architect with other team members, designers of technical systems, mechanical systems, and facility managers and contractors and suppliers. And the cost. The cost in professional practice is extremely important. It is one of the main elements that the client will keep asking. From day one, they will ask you about what is the cost estimate of this project. And the more detailed we do in the project, the more closer to reality we become. So we have to consider that the cost is extremely important. And nowadays, the mechanical system, the air conditioning of buildings consumes large amount of cost. So on average, it's more than 30% of the cost in an office building is dedicated to the mechanical system of the building. The HVAC, elevators, escalators, all these mechanical systems, they consume a lot. So if we consider these elements from the beginning of the design, it will make our cost optimized. I'm not saying reduced. You might not reduce the budget, but you optimize the use of the money. And in professional practice, when your client feels that you care about his or her money, they like everything you do. They trust you. They believe in what you are doing, and you will have fun and to do whatever you like. So what happens if there is lack of coordination? Then we have problems of that architects think that their aesthetics are more important than performance. Cost will impact the performance. So we need to think about the whole system together, the performance of the building, especially the performance of the building technically, how the systems work together, and how the spaces are functioning together, how they achieve the comfort of the users of the building. So we have spatial, thermal, air quality, acoustics, visual, integrity of the building systems. So we focus on what we call total building performance, not just an aesthetic performance of nice spaces and nice rooms and nice forms and colors, but they are not functioning properly for our purpose, then they are not acceptable. And they cost too much, they will also be a burden on the client. So when you think a building, don't only think about how nice it looks from outside and the colors and so on. We need to think about, go beyond the exterior facade and think about how does it work inside in terms of spaces, systems. We have HVAC systems, we have lighting systems, we have smoke control. Yes, firefighting and fire alarms are also part of the system. All the electricity and HVAC are part of the integration of the building systems. So we think about everything in the design, during the design from day one. Don't leave things unknown till the end. So at this stage, after you made sketches, you need to go back and think about what are the systems that will be required and how will they affect my design. So where do we start? We start everywhere. We start from all aspects, from form, cost, and performance. The normal design process, the form will be started with the different integrations of things. So think about the building, as we said, as an integrated element, not just one aspect of the design. So now when we are doing our initial or schematic design of the project, we need to think about electrical systems, we need to think about lighting, we need to think about HVAC, how will we provide air conditioning to the rooms? Will it be central? Will it be split units? And how all this is integrated in one complete system. So if you are going to need a false ceiling, acoustical tiles, or gypsum boards, you need to consider that now, because this will impact the height of the building. It will impact the design of the roof, the distribution of the systems. So from now, we need to think about how will we integrate the systems together and understand the impact of the systems on the design. Firefighting, are you going to have dry or wet or localized firefighting? And where do we place the firefighting equipment? Do we need sprinkler heads really, or this is for office building? So what firefighting do we provide in our particular home or house? Sound system. So you're going to have speakers in different rooms, but where will be the main equipment that will provide the sound for this surveillance and security? Where do you place the cameras so that the artist can view the house even if he or she is traveling or not inside the house? So you can have different views of the house at the same time. If it's a larger office or something, you need to know where do you place the cameras that will allow people to continuously monitor what's happening inside a warehouse or factory or office building and so forth. So security and surveillance, CCTV, are becoming more permanent aspect of design. So the nice looking interiors that you see at the end are started with a design and technical systems that are integrated carefully and were thought about by the architect from the beginning of the project. So now we have what we call smart building integration. How do we make this integration even smarter? By controlling the use of materials, the use of energy, and to make all the systems work together meaningfully. So smart buildings are smart systems. So all the systems are working together in a smart way. So to achieve successful design, what do we call a successful design? Design that performs well after it is constructed. Performs spatially, thermally, air quality, acoustical, visual integrity, and also performs well for the individuals. So they have their physiological needs provided, they are psychologically comfortable, they have social life, they have also cost optimized for the building. So this starts with, as we said in the beginning, integration. So we have different systems integrated in one design. The end product will be a successful one. So performance integration is the key. How do we start this? We start with integrated design. We think about all systems from the beginning, all the technical aspects now. So we have all these elements of performance adhered to, how they provide a good quality spaces, healthy and appropriate for its function and use. So we have many performance criteria related to the spatial, thermal, air quality, acoustical, visual, building integrity, and even you can add more. And we have here the 4 aspects that we need to think about: the physiological, the psychological, the sociological, and the economic performances. And each one of these is related to one of the aspects of the performance. So for spatial, physiological needs, they are related to the ergonomic comfort. Handicap access, do you have ramps, do you have elevators for the handicap, functional service. They also have psychological performance. They are habitability, beauty, calm, excitement. So think about all these elements. How do you satisfy the needs of each one individually? So I think this is a good strategy that you can check your design and you can develop your own table of like this one, and check if your design achieves all these elements. So is your design acoustically successful or not? Visually successful or not? In terms of cost. So if you feel that there is an area that is missing or not achieved, you need to go back and change the design to satisfy. I think you all know the suites catalogs of construction. This will help you very much find information about materials and systems and details that you can use in your design. Do you know the suites construction catalogs? Have you used them before?
No, about
okay,
me, no.
So this is an online catalog of materials that allows you to select from different. You can طبعا make your own account easily, and it's free. But it provides you with different products from different companies. And it also provides you with the specifications, catalogs, CAD drawings, BIM drawings, and all the required specs. So if you want to look for anything that you like, all the items are here. You want to, can you see my internet site?
No, Dr.
Can you see this?
Only PowerPoint.
You can't see this, huh?
Yes, we can see.
So you can't see the suites catalog?
No, we can see the slides only.
You are still in the slides part. Okay, so let me stop sharing this and start sharing 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 this. Okay, can you see the suites catalog now?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is this. Let's say you just write suites.com. It will appear to you. In the past, this way used to be large volumes of catalogs, that takes large space in the office, and they change them every year. But now, طبعا, everything is becoming online and saving space and cost. So if you select products, you will have all kinds of products that you think about. Openings, finishings, equipment, conveying equipment, fire suppression, plumbing, everything you think about as materials and systems that you need in your design, you find it here. So let's, for example, you are looking for openings. You want to understand about openings that for your project. So let's say, okay, I want to have doors. I'm looking for doors for my building. So you have these different types of doors, and this is the safety also technology for the doors. So let's say I'm looking for stained glass doors. Who can provide them for me? So I'll go to the stained glass doors. So these are some of the examples.
Doctor, I have a question.
Yes.
Is there BIM models, Revit models for this?
Yes, if you go, yes, everything has. Some of the there are. If you look at the left side here, there are links, products, manufacturers, catalogs, CAD drawings. And there are some manufacturers, they provide you with their CAD drawings. So let's say for these openings, let's say for door and frames, maybe let's see this one. You will find that if they have CAD drawings, they will let you know, yes, they have each item of their catalog has a specific drawing. You can download the CAD drawing immediately and use it. So they provide you with CAD drawing. If you are looking for BIM, they provide you also with some, not all of them are available. If they are available, you'll find them here. So this is for BIM. You find these are the items that include a building information modeling product for all divisions. So let's see, we want to have openings, doors and frames. So this one provides BIM. So you will go here. You will find the items. This is a BIM file. So you download it and use it. So each item that is provided in BIM, you'll find it here. Okay.
Thank you, Doctor. Yes.
It's a very useful site, and has millions and millions of products that you can look at and use directly, or you can get information and inspiration for what you want to do. Currently, and architects, they don't design everything from scratch. We actually select materials from catalogs and from sources and from suppliers all the time. So you need to expand your horizon of information and knowledge. And as I said, learn all the time. You are learning, we are learning all the time. The Zoom and all that stuff was not here 4 months ago, but now it's becoming part of our everyday life. So you learn every day, you learn always. And try to expand your horizon regarding materials, regarding color schemes, regarding architecture movements. Learn and learn and learn. Okay?
Yes,
Right.
doctor.
We will stop here now. And